Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Kali Linux 2024.3 on VMware Workstation. First we will download the Kali Linux 2024.3, that is the latest version at the time of making this video. First go to Kali official website, that is kali.org. Click on download. Then see here we have the two types of downloads. Installer images, that means ISOs and virtual machines. But we are going to install by using installer image. Click on it. See here we have the version 2024.3. This is the latest version. But if you want older releases, you have to click on Kali Linux releases. See here we have the 64-bit and 32-bit. So I'm going to download 64-bit ISO file. Click on this download button. If you want torrent link, you have to click on this one. So click on this download button for direct download. Click on it. See, download started. Go to downloads. See, its size is 4 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. You can go through it and install the VMware Workstation Pro for free. Okay. See, I have already installed. Now click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Then select the custom or typical. Okay. I'm going with typical. Click on next. Then click on installer disk image file. Then click on browse to select the downloaded ISO file. See here I have the Kali Linux 2024 installer ISO file. Select it and click on open. Then click on next. Then select type as Linux and see and version we don't have Kali. So select the Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Then give the name Kali 2024.3 VM. Name can be anything, but this is the virtual machine name. Then we have to select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse. Then select the path where you have the enough space. Click on next. Provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 100 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the summary of the hardware information of the virtual machine. If you want to customize, click on customize hardware. Then you can increase or decrease. Suppose you want to increase number of CPU processors, you can increase. In the same way, memory also. I am okay with these values, so click on close. Then click on finish. See, still if you want edit settings, click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or select this and click on VM and click on settings. All three options are same. Now if you are okay with these settings, then click on power on this virtual machine to start the installation of Kali 2024 on VMware Workstation. Now you use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install. Select it and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location. You can select locations from this list. If your location is not listed, you can select other. Okay, I'm going with United States, then click on continue. Select keyboard key map. I'm going with American English. Click on continue. See, this is the host name. If you want to give some other name, give the name. Then later also you can change the host name. Click on continue. If you have any domain name, you can provide, or if you want to create, you can provide. I don't want anything, so keep as blank and click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user. So I'm giving user full name as R2 Schools. Then click on next, that is continue, and this will be the username. If you want to give some other username, you can give. I'm okay with that one, so click on continue. Now set the password for this user. Then click on continue. Select the clock. So see here it is showing all US time zones because we have selected location as United States. That's why it is showing these time zones. So I'm going with Eastern, then click on continue. Now partition disks. See here I want to guided with use entire disk. Then click on continue. Continue. Select the first one and click on continue. Select finish partitioning and write changes to disks and continue. It is just confirmation. Select yes and continue. Now you can select the desktop environments. By default it has selected XFCE, but if you want GNOME or KDE Plasma, you can select any one of them. I am going with XFCE only, so it is the default desktop environment, and remaining up tools also I am going with as defaults. So click on, also see here top 10 are the most popular tools. So click on keep all as it is and click on continue. See, installation has been started. This may take time. I am pausing this video and I will resume whenever manual inputs are required as part of installation. See, install grub bootloader to your primary drive. So select yes and click on continue. Select the device and click on continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay, so right click on this virtual machine name, go to settings, then select CD DVD, then unselect the checkbox, then click on OK, then click on continue. Now provide username and password that we have given at the time of installation of Kali Linux. Then click on login. Now open terminal. Let me increase the font. File, preferences, then select the font. See here the default font is 10, so click on change, then increase to 15, click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. See, font has been increased. Now verify the version of the Kali that we have installed. more/etc os-release. See, we have installed Kali Linux 2024.23. Okay. Control L. If you want to verify IP of this machine, just give ifconfig. See, this is the IP of this machine. Okay. Control L. The first step after connecting to Kali Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & and also update. Sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this user. Type and hit enter. See, upgradation is in progress. This may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux 2024.3 on VMware Workstation. For more Kali or cybersecurity tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.